1 box of yellow cake mix, 2 eggs, adding in a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Oh my goodness. Then we'll go ahead and we'll give that all a good mixed up, nice and good, you guys. The batter might be a little bit thick, but that's exactly how you want it. So just mix together the cake mix, the 2 eggs, and the 1/2 cup of melted butter, and we'll move on our way. All right, you guys, once it's all mixed up, take your little spatula, spray it with some non-stick spray here. It will just help you kind of smooth this over. It is going to be thick, and don't you worry, that's exactly the way that you want it. This sweet, this savory, buttery, gooey cake is going to be everything that you hoped for, you guys. This is so delicious. All right, so we have this all smoothed out over the top. We have a nice thin layer going on. That looks perfect there. Now we're just gonna go ahead and slide that over, bring in our bowl. We will be adding 1 block of cream cheese, 2 more eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Oh, I love the way that smells. And then pile in 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Then nice and slowly, we're gonna combine all of that goodness together, making these cream cheesy top. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so yummy, you guys. I don't know what I've been doing this whole time. I should have showed you this sooner. There we go. Now we got everything nice and blended together, and that looks fabulous. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna bring that delicious cake base back in. We're gonna take this mixture that we just made and we're gonna pour it right over the top. Holy cow, this is what I'm talking about right here. Look at that. You guys, I don't even know what to say. Like this gooey goodness, buttery cake with this cream cheese on top. Wait until you guys see what this turns out like when it bakes. You're gonna be blown away. And if you haven't tried anything like this before, you better get your booty to the store and get this stuff, because this is going to be your new favorite. Oh, one of mine for sure. Okay, look at how good that looks, you guys. We are all set and good to go. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for 35 minutes, and stick around because you're about to be blown away. Wow, this turned out absolutely amazing. Look at that top, the way that it's crispy, that kind of golden brown crust almost at the top. I have a feeling that this is gonna be really gooey and buttery and so good. Look, I can tell just by cutting into it. Now, you do wanna let this cake cool down for a little bit, and they're almost like butter bars. Look at that. Yes. I am so stoked about this. The cream cheese on the top is probably my favorite part, that mixture. And then the cake is like really dense on the bottom. Absolutely the best cake that I've ever had in my entire life. And I'm seriously not even just saying this. Erica, come here, you gotta try this. Try it, you're gonna love it. It is gooey, creamy, sweet, buttery. It is all the things, you guys. This is so good. You could even top this with like some fresh strawberries if you want. I don't even know, but it doesn't even need anything. All right. Okay, you can have it. All right, you guys, this is for sure a winner. I would make this again over times 100. Give it a try. Let me know what you think of it. Maybe you've tried this before. I don't know, but we need to bring this back for sure.